Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot Chili Mac Casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I have it set on saute high and it's hot. And please don't mind the noise in the background. Other than Dexter, I have my washer and dryer running. I'm going to start out here. I have some hamburgers, 7327, that isn't lean. I'm going to put in a little over a pound of ground beef in the pressure cooker. I'm going to have to drain off the excess grease when this is done frying. I'm also going to add in one large onion I diced up. And I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. If you use fresh garlic, you're going to use about 4 cloves. Now I'm going to go ahead and brown this until I break up the hamburger. The hamburger turns brown and the onions turn translucent. Alright guys, now that my ground beef sauteed for a few minutes, my onions are translucent. I have 2 4-ounce cans of green diced chilies. I drained as much liquid off as I could get. I'm going to add them in. And I'm just going to stir them in the pot quick. Alright, now I have a can of crushed tomatoes. This here is 28 ounces. We're going to add that in. I'm going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth. And guys, cut a little hole in the top of the box here. It runs out nice and smooth for you because it's allowing the air to go in to push it out. There's no chugging going on there. I have 2 15.5 ounce cans of red beans that I drained and I rinsed. They're going in. And guys, this is going to be yummy. Now I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of chili powder. And you can adjust these seasonings any way you like. And I'm just eyeballing this. And I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. And guys, if you haven't cooked with cumin, give it a taste because it's really good. I'm going to give that a stir. Now I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of salt. This is optional, the amount you want to use. And I have a 2-pound box of elbow macaroni. I'm only going to use half of this, so I'm going to add in 1 pound. I'm going to eyeball that. Okay, that's looking good. I'm going to stir this up to mix it around well. And guys, not to worry, my elbow macaroni, as they cook, they will drink up that excess liquid. So I'll put a little bit more in there. Okay, now I'm going to put my lid on here. Order my reach. Make sure I'm set on seal. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. After my 8 minutes, I'm going to do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, this is done cooking. I did that quick release of the pressure. And you can see how it's drinking up that liquid deposit. It'll continue to do that as it sits. I have some shredded cheddar cheese I'm going to put on top here. And these guys are going to get a kick in the ass if they keep making noise in the background. I'm going to stir this down in. And that there is probably about a cup of cheese. I'm going to put a little more cheese on top. That's roughly about a cup and a half of cheese I used. Now I'm going to put my lid back on here and let this sit with the turned off with the lid on just to melt that cheese for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, my cheese is all melted. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Now if you were feeling really ambitious, some diced up green onion would go great on this. See, it's nice and cheesy. It's really good, guys. Nice and cheesy. Taste that chili seasoning and that cumin coming through. Pasta's nice and tender. Alright, there you have it, guys. Instant Pot Chili Mac Casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.